Good morning guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano tanggalin yung brake pads o how to clean brake pads Nissan 350J. So ito guys, bali huwag kayong magkakamali dito guys kasi tatagas yung brake fluid nito pag huwag nyo natanggalin tong apat na bolts. Huwag nyo tatanggalin yan kasi ang tatanggalin nyo lang guys ito yung expander saka yung pin na mayroon ditong pin lock. Yan, dalawa yan, taas baba. Kaya lang, tapos hugutin nyo lang yan, tapos nakatanggal na po yan guys. So ganito, so tatanggalin lang natin tong lock pin. Ayan o. So pasensya na kayo guys, ito walang tagahawak. Yan, yun. Tapos balik nyo rin yan pagkatapos linis. So ito pang isa. Ayan po. So huwag nyo kalimutan ibalik to guys pagkatapos nyo linis. So how to clean brake pads 350J. So ito, tapos tanggalin lang tong pin. Yun. So ganyan lang po. So ito po yung pin sa taas. So ito po yung pin sa baba. Ayan po. So expander nalaglag na. This is the expander guys. Ayan. So ito po yung pin na sa baba. So yan, dalawa na po yan. So ito na po yung brake pads, no? This is the brake pads of the 350J. So how to, so hold this, then push the piston slightly. So guys, ganyan po. Then ayan, push. We have two piston of the caliper, and then the front is the top piston. So piston here, the piston outside, and here is the piston inside. So push in, then out the brake pads. Yan. And out the brake pads. This is the inner side, and this is the outer side brake pads. So push in the piston, then ito, this is the outer side. So why not removing the caliper? Because the fluid, this is the fluid side, is the outside, is connected to the inner side of the caliper. So not moving this caliper, so only moving the caliper pin up and down, then the expander, then out, push out the caliper to pull out. Then reverse position guys, how to clean. So needs sandpaper. So this is the sandpaper guys, already to 120. So let's go. Sesya na kayo guys, walang tagahawak ng camera. Lilinisin ko muna. Then after clean the brake pads guys, so use brake cleaner, then wash. Okay. Apply stop squeal, so anti-squeaking sounds. Then light, kunti lang guys. Then after that, clean the rotor disc. So clean the rotor disc. So turn quickly. Then clean rotor disc. Then the inside of the rotor disc clean. So turn quickly. So since nyo kayo guys, wala tayong tagahawak. So yan. After that, use brake cleaner to spray rotor disc. And then install the brake pads. Then install the brake pads like that. Yan. Then the outer side install. So the guide is the curve position like that. So the curve position like that. So, install. So then install the pieces of expander. Install. Then like that. And then the caliper pin. So the caliper pin, yan, like that. So the down of caliper pin, downside. Then install the expander. Yep. Then push. Yan. Push the caliper pin, then push. And then what happened, you see, turn the caliper pin to the hole position. Don't mark. Yan. And then install the lock pin. So like that. Oh. So huwag nyo kalimutan guys, install the lock pin to the lock hole of the pin like that. Yan. Then
Di masakit lang yun, di ba?
ha?
Di masakit. Dahil naman pag-shield natin yan.
Kapag sinsul ka natin to, baba eh.
May infinity na ganyan yung makina.
Infinity, pares lang naman ng brake pad eh. Infinity saka 350K. Yun. So yan guys, thank you for watching. So I hope if you understand, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.